you jump, it flashes more 4 feet at once.
It's pretty dark out. Not really too much.
That's fun. They're getting ready to shoot for that anyway. I'm gonna load it.
I want to catch some lightning on here.
Yeah. I will. Okay.
See, I got some on here.
It's raining wetly.
Abby, I am not your handle. Come here.
For me.
My butt is not your handle, missus.
Can't do it.
Where do you put all that fruit, girl? I know, right? She got like a hollow leg or something.
This is fun!
Go ahead.
But it is, because it's a deep
Whoa, I got that. Well, you have to go to bed soon. Don't you have school tomorrow? You don't have school tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday. You don't have school tomorrow at all.
Alright, but if you don't wake up in the morning, we don't go to the Midwest Kids Fit. It's a fun fest.
Uh-oh.
That's what we're getting.
It's a festival that has kids and fun.
We are coming back here by 2 because people are coming and we're going to smoke a pork roast.
Don't worry. I'll go to bed when I get tired of this.
I bet you will, too. This is nuts, man.
It's a good thing you guys have a movie to watch tonight.
We're going to be cold and wet.
This satellite might not be working.
Satellite ain't going to be working for a little bit. Nice. Ah, sweet. Watch my phone get struck by lightning.
Watch my kids get struck by lightning.
That would be pretty awesome. I'm sure he gets trans.
I had a neighbor that was struck by lightning twice.
Really?